Stop by and take a look at the 2016 CLS-Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, leather upholstery, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.